Next is eighth question. First, we will understand the question. The shopkeeper is there. He bought two items. One is VCR and the other is TV. Two items he bought for 8,000 each. TV and VCR for 8,000. Then what he did is he sold it. While selling on VCR he got 4% loss and 8% profit on TV. That means selling prices are different. Cost price is same but selling prices are different, so that on VCR he got 4% loss, on TV he got 8% profit. Like that he sold. Now the question is on the whole transaction whether he got a profit or loss, that is gain or loss, and how much percentage, that is the question. Now let us do. See, what is the cost price? Cost price is simple. 8,000 plus 8,000, that is total 16,000 is cost price of both the VCR and the TV. Cost price. Now selling price we have to calculate based on these values. First let us calculate VCR. On VCR, what is happening on VCR? He said loss of 4%. He says loss of 4%. What is 4%? 4 by 100 into, what is the cost price? 8,000. 0000. 4 8s are 32. 320. That is 320 loss. That is on VCR. Now next TV. He says on TV he got profit of 8%. Profit of 8%. Profit 8%. So how much it will be? 8 by 100 into 8,000. 0000. 8 8 is 64. 0. So it will be rupees 640 profit. So now if you see 320 loss, 640 profit. So at last what he got? Loss or profit? Profit only, because profit is more. Now let us calculate. What is the cost price for loss? What is the formula? Loss equal to, in a loss which one will be more? The cost price will be more. So CP minus SP. Similarly for profit, it will be selling price will be more. So selling price minus cost price. So what we want? We want selling price here. So selling price will be, that implies selling price will be CP minus loss. Here selling price will be profit plus CP. Okay. Now let us see. Selling price is cost price. What is cost price? Always it is 8,000 minus loss is 320. 8,000 minus 320, 680, 7,680, and here the selling price will be, what is the profit we got? 640 and 8,000. 8,000 plus 640, So 8,640 rupees. So here what we are doing is, first we are calculating the amount of loss or profit. Based on that we are calculating the selling price. Why we are calculating? We know the cost price. If we calculate the selling price, then we can find whether it is a profit or loss. So what is total selling price now? Now total selling price. Total selling price will be, here it is 7,680 plus 8,640. If you do the addition, 7,680, 8,640, 0, 2, 13, 3, 1, 16, 16,320. 16,320. Okay, now the important parameters are, this is selling price and cost price is 16,000. Cost price is 16,000, selling price is 16,320. So the profit is, what is the profit? Profit equal to 16,320 minus 16,000, that is rupees 320 rupees. 320 rupees is the profit. That is the question he asked. He is asking how much loss or gain. That is, so we got 320 rupees as gain or profit. But in the question he is asking gain percentage. He is asking gain percentage. So let us calculate gain percent. What is the formula of gain percent? We know gain or loss percentage equal to gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100. So what is the gain we got? 320 rupees. So 320 divided by 16,000 into 100. So cancellation, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 more 0, 1 more 0, 32 by 16. 32 by 16 equal to 2%. So overall gain, overall is gain of 2%. So he got gain of 2%.